Now let's look at the second question. So we have the diagram below shows two vectors at right angle to each other, which are at right angle. The value of the resultant is now, and we know that resultant is the line that bisects these two from the point of intersection of these two vectors meets at this point. So any line we draw from this point of intersection like this as a diagonal is our resultant. So we have our resultant like this. So if I tend to join this place together, so if I join this place together, that will still be same thing as this one. That's properties of a rectangle. So this place will still be 6.0 Newton. So if I now use that now to find this one, this has given us a right angle triangle. So which this place will be our hypotenuse. So this is my resultant. And we know that resultant equals to x squared plus y squared, which is r squared equals to x squared plus y squared. X is the force on the horizontal line, y is the force on the vertical line. So which means our resultant can be square root of x squared plus y squared. So with that, we can have our resultant to be square root of our x is 8 square plus 6 square. So we have our resultant to be square root of 8 square is 64 plus 6 square is 36. So which means our resultant equals to square root of 64 plus 36 give us 100. And square root of 100 give us 10.0 Newton. So it means the answer for this, the magnitude of the resultant is 10.0 Newton. But the question asks nothing concerning the direction. But if the question asks about direction, what are you going to do? You just have tan theta equals to y over x. So you have tan theta equals to 6 over 8. And you find the value, then you substitute and get your value of this. Thank you.